Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will say a few words about the Django Material, the premium version. The product has been updated to have an enhanced data tables. Also the charts were updated and other core features. All changes can be visualized and tested in the live demo. Let's take a look at the live deployment. So once you're in, you need to navigate to the application folder menu where you can find all the core features provided by the starter. The latest updates were targeted mostly the data tables view that comes right now with a simplified structure. We have here the fields. We have the filters that can be easily added and removed. Also, we can filter here the information, and the pagination is done on the server side, which means in case you have a large data set like I don't know, million of rows, you can easily use this model to showcase the information. Okay, let's take a look at the at the data table and try to add some new records. When you are accessing the starter as a guest, the only the view feature is available. For this, I will authenticate. You need to go here to sign in page. Just click on the and use the default user. Now we can go back, and here we can add new products. Let's say Nike, my email id at uh, okay, purchase date. By default, the purchase date is initiated to the current date, but you can select another value. Let's say I'm living in the USA. Here we can put an integer number, integer value. You can set that, you can set here if the product is refunded or not. It's not the case right now. Currency by default is USD, and let's say I've purchased two items. Okay, let's cut this filter. Let's update the number of items, and also clear here the filters, and we can see here is the new product. Okay, if we go to the charts, which are basically linked to this to the same data source. So basically we have the data tables that that provided some, that manage the information in the sales model. The charts are linked to the same model and also the API. So we can have here a multiple management of the same information in three different ways. For instance, if I want to select only the latest item, I need to put here the ID. Okay, so this is the data table module. We can have a lot of options. Let's filter the items to see only the refunded items. We can see here we have two rows. Let's clear the filter and save this as being also refunded. If we go back and set again the filter, we should have three rows. Okay, another thing is the product now comes with extended user profiles. All registered users are able to manage their information. Once you are authenticated, you can go here on click on the edit profile and save something and say something about you. Also, the file manager is also private. You can save your own assets like text, images in PDF files. You have also a preview feature. On top of this, once you have access to the source code, you can easily deploy the project in render. Let me showcase also this feature. I will go here to render. Okay, let me access the source code. Yeah, material. I will fork the repository. Once the product is duplicated under your account, let's say we need to change here on render, we need to change this name. Okay, once we have the repository, we can go here into render, go to the blueprints, create a new blueprint, add here the link to the repository, put a name here, and deploy. We go here, and the starter is currently deployed using render. We can check out here the build, but in all cases, the product should be up and running in quite fast. Okay, another important aspect is that once the project is linked to render, basically there is a CI/CD flow, which means when we update the product, the main branch, the change is automatically pushed into the live server. But let's wait a bit to have this deployment done. And once the product is live, we will go back to the source code and update some things in the UI and check out later if the update is reflected in the live deployment. So the product is under summer boost campaign, so we have some good pricing on this project. Let us know what you think. Let us know what modules should be added to the starter. We are thinking to add also some Stripe payments, because a lot of users ask for this, but let us know if is the case. Okay, now the service is live. Let's take a look. So we have here the modules. We have here all the things, all the features. Let's go back to the source code and change this label. For instance, Django Material PRO, which is located here in the sidebar. Go here, includes, sidebar, and we have this label. I just change the label. Let's save the changes and go back to render and see if a new deployment is triggered. We can see that the product is now under another deployment, and we can see here some details regarding the latest change. Let's wait to have this new deployment up and running. So regarding the product, documentation was also updated with more inputs. Anyone can learn how to start with Docker, how to start Celery that is used by this uh, by the tasks feature, which is powered by Celery, and other things that are usually requested by the developers in order to kick off the starter and use it in their project. Now the new build is still running. Let's wait a bit, but soon the product should be up and running using the new version where that simple change is reflected in the deployment. I think we are almost done. Now render make a quick test to see if the home page returns a good status. Okay, now the service is live. Let's go here and refresh the page, and we can see that the label is updated. So basically we are using the updated version. So in the same way, for those that have access to the private repository, which usually is reserved um, for the company license, but if you need this, we can of course provide access to the private repository. Once you have access to the repository, you can fork it, or once you purchase the product, you can save the zip archive and create a new GitHub one repository in GitHub under your account. Once you have it, you can simply add create a new blueprint here in render, and from that point you are live. You can set up a domain and other things that you can find here in the project settings. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. Let us know what you think. A small insight regarding our development and our business strategy. We are working to move AppSeed to another domain where will be all the service will be 100% open source. You can use the generator, all the technology that we have. You can use it in the platform. You can use it from the CLI. Once you download the source code, we will offer also the possibility to use the generator and other features provided by AppSeed, the new version in through an API. So will be a lot of things, but currently is work in progress. For those that are super curious about the progress, they can access here the repository and take a look at the ongoing development. We also have a blog section and also have a documentation section where all the things will be super well documented, and all the knowledge that is currently deployed on apps.us will be migrated to appgenerator.dev. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. Let us know what you think. For those that have questions, go here on the home page, access the support page, and you can simply send us an email here, or join the Discord, where we have more than 2,000 members that are willing to help anytime. And also, of course, you can chat with me and other members in the support team. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here for AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.